Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 aerospace engineering paper. Question number 62 is for a general aviation airplane, one of the complex conjugate pair of eigenvalues for longitudinal dynamics is given by minus 0.039 plus minus 0.0567 I in SI units. If the system is disturbed to excite only this mode, the time taken for the amplitude of response to become half in magnitude is dash second, rounded up to 1 decimal. So here we know that the characteristic equation is x square sum of eigenvalues into x plus product of eigenvalues, and sum of eigenvalue is 2 zeta omega n, and product of eigenvalue is omega n. Okay, so this is the standard equation. So sum of eigenvalue, one of the eigenvalue is minus 0.039 plus 0.067 I, and other eigenvalue is minus 0.039 minus 0.0567 I. So these are two eigenvalues. Sum of them is here minus 0.078. So that will be equal to this 2 zeta omega n, and product of eigenvalue, product of these two, so that is 0.039 into 0.039 here minus 0.0567 here into iota square. So that will be equal to 0.00473589, or we can say omega n is plus minus 0.0688, and putting this value here, omega n, damping ratio will be here 0.566. Okay, and we know that the amplitude ratio is xn by x naught is equal to e raised to minus 2 pi xi 1 minus xi square root into n. So that amplitude ratio is after n cycles. That's why we have multiplied this term with n. So that is for single cycle, and if there are n number of cycles, we are multiplying with n. So as it is given that the time taken for the amplitude to response to become half. So it means xn by x naught is 1 by 2. So if we take log both sides, then we get log of half is this, and this term is minus 2 pi 0.566 divided by 1 minus 0.566 root, and n is number of cycles. So from this we can find out number of cycles. So n comes out as 0.1607, and omega n is natural frequency, and suppose omega d is damped frequency. So value of beta is 0.566, and omega n we have found out that is 0.068. From this we can find out damped frequency, that comes out as 0.0567, and this is damped frequency. So we can find out time period for damped vibration also 2 pi by omega t. So that will be 2 pi by this 0.0567. So that will be 1 10 seconds. So time to complete one cycle is 1 10 seconds. So now we have n number of cycles, that is 0.1607 cycles for the amplitude to become half. So time to complete n cycle is 110 into 0.1607, that is 17.79 seconds is the answer.